Today, we will talk about case study, the financial strategies of successful entrepreneur. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company, is known for his audacious goals, innovative products, and importantly, his unique financial strategies. Musk's approach to finance is as unconventional as his approach to technology and business. In this case study, we will explore the financial strategies that have propelled Musk to become one of the wealthiest individuals in the world and an icon of entrepreneurial success. 1. Leveraging equity over cash, a focus on long-term value. One of Musk's most significant financial strategies is his emphasis on equity over cash. Unlike many CEOs who prefer high cash salaries, Musk has famously accepted little to no salary from his companies. Instead, he opts for compensation packages heavily tied to stock performance. This approach aligns his financial incentives with the long-term success of his companies. For example, in 2018, Tesla's board approved a compensation plan for Musk that provided no guaranteed salary or cash bonuses. Instead, the package granted Musk a series of stock options, which he could exercise only if Tesla achieved specific market capitalization and operational milestones. This not only incentivized Musk to focus on long-term growth, but also aligned his interests with those of Tesla's shareholders. This strategy reflects Musk's belief in the future potential of his companies. By betting on equity, Musk demonstrates his confidence that the value of his companies will far exceed the immediate cash he might otherwise receive. 2. Strategic use of debt and capital raising. Musk has skillfully used debt and capital raising to fund his ventures, particularly during the early stages when his companies were not yet profitable. Rather than diluting his ownership through early-stage equity financing, Musk often turned to debt financing to secure the funds necessary to scale his businesses. For instance, in the early days of Tesla, Musk raised capital through a combination of convertible notes and loans. This allowed Tesla to avoid issuing more shares, which would have diluted Musk's ownership stake. As Tesla's valuation grew, the debt was either repaid or converted into equity, often at favorable terms, further increasing the value of Musk's holdings. Musk's approach to debt is also evident in his personal finances. Despite being one of the wealthiest individuals globally, Musk has used his equity in companies like Tesla and SpaceX as collateral to secure personal loans. This allows him to access liquidity without selling his shares, thus maintaining his control and avoiding capital gains taxes. 3. Reinvestment into innovation and expansion. A hallmark of Musk's financial strategy is his relentless reinvestment into his companies. Rather than focusing on short-term profits, Musk consistently prioritizes innovation and expansion, often at the expense of near-term profitability. This long-term focus has been critical in establishing Tesla and SpaceX as leaders in their respective industries. For Tesla, this strategy is evident in the company's continuous investment in research and development, as well as in the expansion of manufacturing capabilities. Tesla's gigafactories, which produce batteries and vehicles at scale, are a direct result of Musk's commitment to reinvestment. These investments have positioned Tesla to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions. SpaceX follows a similar strategy, with profits reinvested into ambitious projects like the Starship program and the Starlink satellite network. Musk's willingness to pour resources back into his companies has allowed SpaceX to maintain its competitive edge in the aerospace industry, achieving milestones like the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit and the first reusable rocket. 4. Strategic partnerships and collaboration. Musk has also employed strategic partnerships and collaborations as part of his financial strategy. By partnering with established companies and governments, Musk has been able to share the financial burden of large-scale projects while gaining access to additional resources and expertise. A notable example is SpaceX's partnership with NASA. Through the Commercial Crew Program, NASA has provided funding to SpaceX for the development of the Crew Dragon spacecraft, which has been instrumental in reducing the financial risk associated with human spaceflight. This partnership has not only brought in significant revenue for SpaceX, but has also solidified its reputation as a reliable partner in space exploration. Tesla has similarly benefited from partnerships, particularly in its supply chain. Collaborations with companies like Panasonic for battery production have allowed Tesla to secure essential components while sharing the capital expenditures required to build production facilities. 5. Controlling the narrative and investor relations. Musk's approach to investor relations and public communication is another key aspect of his financial strategy. By maintaining a strong personal brand and directly engaging with the public, Musk has cultivated a loyal following of investors who are confident in his vision and willing to support his companies through market volatility. Musk frequently uses social media platforms, particularly Twitter, to communicate with his audience. This direct line of communication allows him to influence public perception and investor sentiment. For example, his tweets have often caused significant movements in Tesla's stock price, demonstrating the power of his personal brand. Furthermore, Musk's transparency about the challenges and risks his companies face has fostered a sense of trust among investors. While this approach has sometimes led to controversy, it has also built a base of long-term investors who believe in Musk's vision and are less likely to react to short-term setbacks. 6. Diversification through multi-industry ventures. Another element of Musk's financial strategy is his involvement in multiple industries. By diversifying his entrepreneurial efforts across sectors such as automotive, aerospace, energy, and artificial intelligence, Musk has created a robust portfolio that mitigates the risk associated with any single industry. Tesla's focus on electric vehicles and energy storage complements SpaceX's advancements in aerospace and satellite technology. Neuralink and the Boring Company, while smaller in scale, represent further diversification into brain-computer interfaces and tunneling technology, respectively. This multi-industry approach not only spreads financial risk, but also positions Musk to capitalize on synergies between his companies. For example, the development of advanced battery technology at Tesla has applications in SpaceX energy needs for space missions. Similarly, the tunneling technology from the Boring Company could potentially benefit SpaceX plans for building infrastructure on Mars. 7. Vision-driven fundraising and market confidence. Musk's ability to raise capital is closely tied to his visionary outlook. Investors are often willing to fund Musk's ventures, not just because of the potential financial returns, but because they believe in his ability to change the world. This vision-driven fundraising approach has enabled Musk to secure billions in funding for projects that, at the time, seemed far-fetched or highly speculative. This not only incentivized Musk to focus on long-term growth, but also aligned his interests with those of Tesla's shareholders. Tesla's early funding rounds, SpaceX private equity raises, and even Musk's recent efforts with the Boring Company's projects have all benefited from this visionary appeal. Investors are not just buying into a company, they are buying into Musk's broader vision for the future, whether it's a transition to sustainable energy, the colonization of Mars, or the development of advanced human-machine interfaces. Conclusion: Elon Musk's financial strategies are a blend of audacity, innovation, and careful risk management. By leveraging equity, strategically using debt, reinvesting in innovation, and maintaining a diversified portfolio, Musk has built a financial foundation that supports his ambitious vision for the future. His approach to finance is not just about maximizing short-term profits, but about creating long-term value and ensuring the sustainability of his ventures. Musk's success serves as a powerful case study for entrepreneurs, demonstrating that financial strategy is as much about vision and innovation as it is about numbers and capital. By understanding and applying these strategies, aspiring entrepreneurs can learn how to build and sustain businesses that have the potential to change the world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.